Hi, everyone. Welcome to airplanehunters.org, another program for you about all the adventures, all the progress, all of the fun things that we're doing to save history, to save Halifaxes. All of this is for you as we do our Halifax 57 rescue and rebuild shop and Peter Norman Photo Productions, along with Jim Blondeau and Dunrobin Castle Entertainment. And with me today, Scott Knox here from the Nerve Center Rebuild Shop in Arnprior, Ontario, and Peter Norman somewhere out on the wavy ocean near Denmark. So welcome, gentlemen. And Scott, I'll start with you. Can you just give us a quick rundown on the rebuild shop progress? And then Peter, afterwards, I think Scott has to leave fairly soon. But Peter, we're going to talk about those 300 to 400 video clips, all the beautiful production that we can make on the recovery. So Scott, go ahead and give us the lowdown on the latest. We see the beautiful wing behind. Go ahead, man.
Right on. Well, nice to see everybody again. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so since we last did an update, we've got all the material we needed to get the skin restarted. So post-pandemic supply chain issues, T6 aluminum was extremely difficult to get, but supplies are running again. So we got our 4 sheets, and now they're, if anybody's familiar with how we did the port side wing, we took the rear spar up at the top there and the main spar and the ribs that run along between them, and we lay the sheets on, and then we drill all of the sheets out with these little holes, and then we put Cleco fasteners in the sheets to hold them in place as we drill. So there's thousands of holes here, as you can see. And once all those holes are all drilled, we have to demount all the sheets and then deburr all these thousands of holes that we've made, and then prime all the pieces, and then remount them again with the Clecos, and then start riveting. So it's a fairly intensive process, labor of love, of course, and we're making pretty good progress. And yeah, we got stalled there with the supply issues, but we're back on track. And it's a beautiful day here today. I've got both doors open, planes flying around, parachutists coming and going, and it's just a beautiful day here to be working. And got about 9 different projects on the go today. It's crazy. So I hate to update you and run, but I'm gonna have to do that.
Thanks for the update. And I wanted to tell you that I was able to acquire a B-25 Mitchell propeller. That's 3 blades and a hub. And I've been refinishing them. But the kicker was the guy gave me 2 great big Canopy parachutes deployed, of course, and they're bundled up, they're silk. But I'm wondering, could we use a parachute canopy hanging from the ceiling just for decoration? I could bring one to the rebuild shop, and we could put it up as a kind of a yippee-ki-yay display from the roof.
Yeah, it's a great idea. You know, I mean, we moved in pretty quickly last September. We were in a bit of a rush to get ready for the Russ Bannock event. And what I do want to do is put wall finishes and ceiling finishes here, and then paint the floor so it looks like a proper hangar. And yeah, accoutrement and little you know, things for people to talk about. And we do get a fair number of visitors here, which is great. Actually, a gentleman just reached out to me today. His wife's father was navigator on Halifax, so he lives here in Arnprior. So we do get a fair number of visitors. So it's nice to have you know, appropriate decoration and things to talk about when people come to visit. So yeah, absolutely, that's a great idea, Carl. We'll do that.
So Scott, you've got some pressing matters that you've got to go and blast off. So thanks for the update, and we'll talk to you soon. And I'm going to continue with Peter Norman talking about our new documentary production of what happened this summer underwater, okay?
Excellent. Thanks for having me, guys, and we'll see you next time. Be good.
Good. Thanks, buddy. We'll be right back on airplanehunters.org.